Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of India's most beloved commuter motorcycles, the Hero Passion Pro, and not just any version, but the latest and most refined one yet, the 2025 model. For years, the Passion Pro has been a staple on Indian roads. It's affordable, reliable, stylish, and now, in 2025, it's smarter, sleeker, and more fuel efficient than ever before. Whether you're a student, a daily commuter, or just someone looking for a low-maintenance and cost-effective two-wheeler, this one's going to check a lot of boxes. So let's get rolling and uncover everything about the 2025 Hero Passion Pro, from the design updates to the engine performance, mileage, technology features, and whether it still lives up to its legendary reputation in today's competitive 110 cubic centimeters market. The first thing that'll strike you about the 2025 Hero Passion Pro is how much more modern and refined it looks compared to older models. Hero has clearly put in the effort to make the Passion Pro feel fresh without losing its core identity. The styling updates are subtle but effective. The bike now features a sleeker headlamp unit with integrated LED DRLs, sharper tank extensions, and new body graphics that give it a more aggressive and premium look. The side panels are more sculpted, and the tail section flows smoothly with a compact grab rail and LED tail lamp. The alloy wheels come with a new diamond cut finish, giving it a slightly sportier edge, which is a welcome touch in this segment. Colors are more vibrant this year, with Hero introducing new dual-tone shades that pop on the road. Options like Techno Blue, Sports Red with Black, and Matte Gray add flair to what's traditionally a commuter bike. These choices make it clear that Hero is targeting younger riders too, those who want a budget-friendly motorcycle without compromising on appearance. But let's be honest. Most people don't buy the Passion Pro for how it looks. They buy it because of what it offers under the skin. And the 2025 model delivers a strong performance boost while staying true to its efficient roots. It's powered by the same tried-and-tested 113.2 cubic centimeters BS6 compliant engine, but now it's been updated with Hero's latest i3S idle stop-start system and X-Sense technology. This air-cooled, single-cylinder motor produces about 9 brake horsepower at 7,500 RPM and 9.89 Newton-meters of torque at 5,500 RPM. While these numbers might not sound jaw-dropping on paper, they translate to smooth, usable power delivery that's ideal for city riding and occasional highway sprints. One of the key highlights of this engine is refinement. It's quieter, more vibration-free, and incredibly fuel-efficient. With Hero's fuel-saving technologies working in tandem, the 2025 Passion Pro delivers a real-world mileage of around 60 to 65 kilometers.